Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful day. Oh dear, today I am going to be doing a floss tube. Yes, I am. And I'm going to be showing you how to use these, which is the clips. Cross stitch clips, yes. How I attach them to my table for when I'm filming a floss tube, okay? So, let's bring you a bit nearer to the edge of the table. Basically, you can get these on any sort of cross stitching website. You can even, I think I got mine off Amazon. I'm pretty sure I got mine off Amazon, and they're really cheap and really effective if you want to do some filming overhead while cross stitching. Yes. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you how to use these, and we're going to be doing a stitch along. Yes. So first and foremost, please, if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. And let's get started. Yes. So these are really handy, she says, as she's just took it all out. So let me just put this back in. As you can see, you've got a ball joint in there. Okay, now you can move this and you can move this about to whatever position is comfortable for you. This is going to clip on to your cross stitch frame. Okay, and then you can tighten it as such, and you can tighten it here as well. Hang on, she says. You can tighten it there. This bit is also adjustable here. Okay, and it's just a really handy little clamp to have. I've just seen my spring has come out. Hang on a second, off here. They're very handy and very good for using if you love cross stitch or stitch alongs. So all I do is I just clamp it. Whoops, I've got cream on my hands, guys. Clamp it onto my table. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Clamp it onto my table like so. And then I adjust according to how I want my cross stitch positioned. Okay, so they're very handy. I'll just move that along there. Right, okay, and then you just simply clamp on your frame like so, and it holds it for you. You can have it like that or like that, and then just have one hand either side working through. Yes, I find they really are great for overhead work. Yes, overhead filming even. So as you can see, my cross stitch, if you can see, yes, my cross stitch here is virtually finished, yes. Apart from his little, this blue symbol, and that's just a light brown. So I decided, because I started this on camera, I'm going to try and finish it on camera today. And yes, that's what I'm going to do. So that's what I'm going to be stitching. And please don't forget to, you know, do all the usual YouTubey stuff, okay? So let me get my floss sorted and I'll be back in 1 second. Yeah, I had a phone call come through, so it's just, whoops, that looks a bit iffy, that cross, doesn't it? Just so many errors are happening now within our national health system. It's really bad at the moment. So, got to be on the ball, guys. Got to be on the ball. Especially with your older relatives. There. That's better. So yeah, I'm not going to the hospital today. I've spoken to Dad via video call, and my daughter's going in my place today because she hasn't seen him since he's been in there, and I think it's getting to her, so she needs to go spend some time with Grandpa, who obviously, because her dad wasn't around, he's also like her father. It's the only father figure she's ever had, really. So yeah. Right, I've just been very naughty and placed an order on Temu, guys. But I was quite good, as I've only ordered one diamond painting. Okay. The rest are clothes, jumpers and stuff like that for me, because all my, I don't know what's happened to all my jumpers. Most of them have got all holes in and that. So I thought, you know what, I'll just get some cheap and comfy clothes off Temu, because that's all I'm wanting at the moment. So but they do some nice jumpers on there on Temu, and really budget friendly as well. So I'm hoping that I will get to finish this today, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so we go over here. I hope you understood what I was saying about the clamps. They're really easy to use, and as I said, you know, they're very good for if you're doing overhead filming work on cross stitch. A lot of YouTubers use them. Go. go. But yeah, this has been really great fun to do. Quick, easy. No problem at all really. The only thing I did have a problem with was the floss. I've had to cut it in two because I found that it kept breaking, you know. But since I've done that, it's been fine. I took I took Luna, oh gosh, I can't talk this morning, guys. Took Luna to the park for a run. She needed it desperately because she hasn't had one for a while, to be fair, because obviously when you're getting back from the hospital really late, last thing you feel like doing is walking around the park. So I've just been taking her for a walk on her lead, which is fine, you know. Actually, I just realised I meant to look up some doggy coats on Temu for her, because it's in the morning she gets all the wet dew off the grass on her and she gets absolutely soaked, quite literally. So, and I saw a man this morning and his dog had like a little jumper on, and he said it's great because her undercoat doesn't get, well, it's a boy dog actually, the undercoat doesn't get all wet. So I thought, oh, that sounds like a good idea for Miss Lunaloo, because this morning she was running around with an autumn leaf attached to her backside, and the man said to me, geez, who needs toilet paper when you've got leaves? Yeah, honestly. And she's got her operation coming up soon as well, so hopefully that should calm her down a bit, because we need something here, guys, to calm this dog down. We really do. She is loopy. We shouldn't have called her Luna, we should have just called her Loony. Yeah, loopy Loony. Yes, and I decided, because of where I'm going to the hospital, I haven't got hardly any clean clothes to wear, because I'm just not having a chance to do my washing. I'm focusing on doing the kids' clothes, you know. But I decided this morning that this evening I'm going to sit down and I'm going to sort out all my jumpers and all my t-shirts, everything apart from my underwear, because I do not like taking my underwear to strangers to wash. I can do my underwear, but I'm going to take it to the laundrette and just pay for them to wash it and dry it for me. It'll be one less job that I'll have to do then. I hope it's going to cost me, because there is a lot, but at this moment in time I just don't have the patience for standing there waiting for it to wash, waiting for it to dry, hanging it up, you know. I just don't. So it'll just take a few steps out of it for me. Come on, there we go. Oh, do you hear my tummy going? Oh dear, I think I've lost. I've lost some of my floss. There we go. I'm rhyming this morning, guys. There. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see. I do apologise for the state of my hands. You know, it's just eczema, washing up liquid and stress all in one hit. Right. There. Right. We're going to leave that. And then we're going to get the other floss, which is over here. I'm going to put it through the wax like that. There. Perfect. So yeah, all this I've been doing at the hospital while my dad's been resting, and you know, just sitting there stitching away. And I've had a couple of nurses come up and say, "Oh, I like that." So it's fun. There. Let's just check to see. Yeah, I'm still in frame. Oh dear. Okay. Trying to think how to do this now. I know what I'm gonna do. There. Hang on. There. I think my son's going to come back to school. Oh, there we go. He's back from school now. You right, love? I'm recording, so. Go. So I'll do about 20 minutes of this and then I'll go off. I'll finish the rest off camera and then we can wash it together, yeah, because then that'll be it, finished. Finito. My little autumn hedgehog.
What?
Huh?
What? Are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera, love.
Okay. It's confusing because it sounds like you're talking to me, but at the same time it sounds like you're not.
No, I'm talking to my subscribers.
Alright.
Oh dear. I get you though. Oh, teenagers, they are funny, aren't they? Honestly. There we go. I'm hoping that I am still in frame. I have to check. Oh. Yeah. There. Let's just double check, make sure I'm still, yeah, I'm still in frame here. So, there we go. Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. Mr. Amazon. Yes, he's my best friend at the moment. Mind you, he's always my best friend, especially at Christmas and birthdays. Here we go. some new socks for my son, because I don't know where the socks go in this house. I really don't. Does anyone else have that problem? That you continuously feel like you're buying new socks because you just don't know where the other ones are going? Yeah, that's me, I tell ya. You know, my daughter got very upset the other day when she saw that I'd nearly completed this. She was like, I was supposed to do that one. And I was like, yeah, well, you didn't really want to pick it up, so I thought I'd do it. So now I've said to her that she can do Mr. Squirrel if she wants. But, you know, it's like anything. They pick it up, they think it's easy, and then they get fed up, don't they? They realise that it's not as easy as it looks. I think one of my dad's brothers is going in to see him today as well, which is really good. Helps keep the morale up, you know. When you're in hospital, your visitors are so important, guys, seriously. I remember when I was in hospital, you know, they're like your lifeline, because you do get down in the dumps being in hospital. You feel like the world's forgotten about you in a way. So yeah, it's important to not forget about your loved ones in hospital, for sure. There. Right, so I'm going to go off. I'm going to finish this, and then we shall wash it. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Right, so that's the end result. I've just put my initials there. What I'm going to do is take it out of this now and pop it in some water so we can get the grid and all the print around it off. So just hold on 1 second. Right, any sort of dishwasher liquid should do. And then, whoops, why have we got, hang on, let me move you higher, because it's not liking how near we are. Okay, so in it goes. Just room temperature, not too hot as well. There. And I usually leave it in there for about an hour or so, just to soak and get rid of all that dye. But you can see here it's starting to come off already. There. My daughter's singing along to herself, honestly. Right, so we're just going to leave it in there. Got a chopstick here. Just poke it down. And it should all come off, most definitely. So we will come back to it in a bit. You can see how the water's already changing. You see? You can see all the dye in it. Right, let's leave that for an hour and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so there it is, all washed and dried. One thing I noticed was some of the ink, as you can see down the bottom there, wouldn't come out, but it doesn't overly bother me. But there you go, and I've put the little tassel on. I just sort of tied it on in the end with some floss. But there, it's all finished, guys. And that's what it looks like that way round. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.